A very good morning. It's Mark here at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, New York time. That is 2 p.m. GMT. Let's have a look how the market shaped up this morning. Dollar index, I'm on the daily. And you can see about an hour ago when I first looked, this was a big red candlestick. There was no wick encouraging in terms of reversal, looking for a reversal. There was no wick at the top either. So the open price, it just went straight down from there and tested yesterday's lows, went slightly below, but looks like it's coming back to sit within that range. So strong US dollar, still very much what we see. But when we zoom into the shorter time frame, there you can see it's tried this level twice, the resistance at 106.99, let's call it 107. It's come down and tried this support twice now and sitting in a comfortable range. US dollar looking to fight its way back from an early start, a weak start, looking to fight its way back now that the US session is underway, exactly the way it performed yesterday. Let's have a look at S&P 500. Markets will be open in about 30 minutes. There's the hourly. There's that little downtrend we're seeing, which ties in with what we saw on the US dollar index. Hung around here for the past few days. Once we got to 6,000 on the S&P, buyers didn't really take it above there, didn't really test anything above the 6,000. Went sideways for a few days, and then we can see starting yesterday, continuing today, a definite sell-off. There's our EMAs crossing down, bearing in mind that is on the daily. If we go to the shorter time frame, there you can see there's that resistance level. All the way down here, we have the support, but looks like it's now testing around this 5,934. Let's blow that up a little. And that's where we're looking on the hourly. Downtrend in place on the shorter time frames. And we saw how it developed on the daily over the past few days coming down. So we have US dollar fighting its way back. And at this point, we have the S&P 500 still retracing from these highs. Our two commodities. Firstly, gold. Still sitting in this tight range. You can see that support it made yesterday at 2,532. I put in this resistance to tie in with this previous support level, and that's at 2,600. So that's the range we're sitting in right now, and gold really not giving us much direction. In fact, sitting right in the middle of that range, you can see. Buyers need to go up and test that 2,600 and possibly higher, whereas sellers will also look for that maybe 2,600 and use that as a resistance level and sell off there. Alternatively, a break below this 2,537, but is looking pretty flat right now. And oil, let's try to break out of its narrow range between 71.50 and 72.50. There's that range, and it's still comfortably within that range right now. Buyers need to break that 72.50, which it did yesterday, but you can see sellers brought it straight back into the range, buying off support, selling off resistance, sitting right now at 72, right in the middle of this 71.50, 72.50, which has become comfortable for oil. Before I go to crypto, let's just look at some of our majors, the Euro US. I'm going to start off on the daily. There's the big picture. There's the strong sell-off. Yesterday's low at 104.93, so it tested the 105 support. Trying to fight its way back today, but sitting in a tight range so far. There's the hourly. There's that range. Looks to be Look, US dollar looks to be fighting back. 105.80 resistance. Looks like it wants to come down possibly and test the lows from yesterday. There's the big picture, and you can see how it's comfortably sitting in this range right now. I do believe we'll see something similar on the pound. There it is, sitting also in that tight range between 127.18 on the top side, 126.30, just over 70 pips. If I go to the daily, you'll see the downtrend very much still in place. Look how relevant this support level is. Tested it yesterday, and let's see today if it gets to the same support level here at around 126.20. We'll buy a step in, alternatively break below there, which could be a strong downtrend. Bitcoin gave up a little, but fighting back today. Have a look on the daily. Interesting. Wants to get above 90,000. We saw Bitcoin 3 days ago at almost 94,000. Gave up a lot of those gains yesterday, but didn't take out significant lows, and certainly fighting its way back right now. If I go to the hourly, there it is, bounced off the support over here, around 87, 88,000, looking like the pivotal level, looking like that's where sellers are unable to take it lower and buy a step in at around that 87,000, 88,000 level. And today we're seeing it at 89.9, looking at the 90,000 again, and you can be sure buyers are looking to take it higher. Good trading, guys. Keep that discipline, and I will, if not see you later on today, but certainly be in touch with you for the weekly review, which is on Sunday evening, so you're ready for Monday's new trading week. Good trading, guys. Keep that discipline.